Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something that's a little bit different than the normal and something I never really touched on really on any of my videos, and it has been highly requested by my clients and fellow stylists I know personally, and that is curling beach waves. For a few years now, I have been a loyal customer to Babyliss. They're an amazing product company. They make amazing hot tools that make my busy days at the salon a ton easier. Not sponsored. I used to use their way popular blue curling iron in the size 1¼ inch. I feel this size is perfect for most hair lengths, and you can get that popular loose wave as well as a tight curl. I have the 1½ inch and a 1¼ inch, but not long ago I purchased the newer black one that they have. You just saw in this video here I'm using today. It's 1¼ inch as well, and I'm so obsessed with this. I highly recommend these for my clients and other stylists because they are amazing and work really, really well. Also, my stylists out there, you know we use our hot tools a million times more than the normal person, and I want you guys to know they do last a very long time and hold up well. I also have the flat iron and curling iron from Babyliss as well. Check those things out. I am not an over-the-top product junkie when it comes to styling. I don't go crazy because I like to keep things low maintenance and low budget for my clients who have to do this every day. But a few must-haves for every client are the Joico hairspray, which is between the 8 and 10 hold. And you guys, this hairspray holds so well with no weight or crunchy hair. I used to always brush my curls out, and lately I've been just using my hands, and that's all I have to do. I also love my Redken Pillow Proof Primer / Heat Protectant. It's lightweight, dries the hair a lot quicker, and smells absolutely amazing. All of my clients love it. And another must is a really good hydrating oil. My favorite two are the one I'm using here in this video, Rosé, which is YouTube stylist and educator Jessie Gish from Jay-Z Styles, who owns this. She made this. She has a whole bunch of products. I love her to death. She's my hair god, mentor, whatever you want to call it. She's totally amazing, and this oil smells just like a rose garden. The other oil I love is Joico Blonde Life. These are all I'm using today, keeping it simple, but I wanted to let you guys know that sometimes I will add like a Kenra texturizing taffy, which I use on my hair, or Rusk's like waxy kind of styling stuff, but I like to keep it simple. I don't like to go crazy with styling products. So as I prep my client, which you guys seen before in my last week video, which is my assistant Patty, I like to go over with a flat iron sometimes in thick sections just to get it going a little bit more straighter. And then it gives me a nice canvas to work off of. And then I split the hair into 3 sections, left, right, and the back. And I start from the bottom up. I always like to do about 2-3 inch height worth of hair, and I like to do really thin sections. I don't like to do them too big or too long. Even though this new curling iron has a longer barrel, I like to do smaller sections. I feel like it's cleaner and it has a better look. Okay, so I know a lot of us hairstylists are usually visual learners, so there's not much to really say about how I curl hair. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of clips and let you know how I do it. I have 2 ways of doing it. This is what I do about 90% of the time. It's more of my loose wave kind of look. I usually go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and alternate back and forth so it doesn't all go into one curl. I will always make sure that the first few curls before the ear always go away from the face. This is an extremely important step. The first few sections in front of the ear around the face must always go away from the face. Learning how to do this is more of a visual thing like I said before, but what I do is take my smaller piece of hair, and sometimes if I want to warm it up in that section, I'll glide my barrel all the way down the hair shaft so it gets some heat on it. And I hope that makes sense. I know it's really hard to explain. I'm trying my best. But after I heat it up, I then go down about halfway, twist the curling iron up, going up higher and closer to the root direction, tap twice, let a little more hair in, twist again, tap twice, add more hair, and keep doing so until all the hair is around the iron. Then once I feel it's been on long enough, I twist the opposite direction, and I do that. At the end, I make sure where I leave the end straight, I glide that through the curling iron with a clamp a little bit closed so I ensure that that part is really straight. Make sure, always make sure you leave some ends out on your beach waves. It will give it a more of a loose wave kind of look. So I slowed the footage down so you guys can really see my technique. I hope this all makes sense. It's pretty hard to explain in words, so just keep watching me, you guys. And remember, practice makes perfect. Rome was not built in a day, and my technique is not like second nature. The first few times I did it, took some time, took some years. Now it's like riding a bike. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'm going to put some music on and you guys can enjoy the rest of this tutorial. Have a great day. Thanks for the support. Love you guys. Remember down in the comment section to leave what kind of videos you want to see, and I will do my best to get those videos out as soon as possible.
Past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were different. Did it break you down?